Hi, and welcome to Burdeens Jewelry. My name is Kevin, and I'm one of our watch specialists here. Today we're going to be talking about Grand Seiko and their Spring Drive movements. The Spring Drive is a unique movement available from Grand Seiko, not seen by any others in the industry. A Spring Drive uses a standard spring, but also a quartz crystal. When we talk about quartz, you may think of a cheap battery watch, but that's not what these are. These watches are just like any other mechanical watch. They feature the same mainspring, the same gear train, but the regulation is changed. Grand Seiko uses an electromagnetic glide wheel and an internal circuit along with a quartz crystal to regulate the watch. This quartz crystal vibrates at a known frequency and allows the watch to run even more accurately than a standard Swiss lever escapement. This internal circuit reads the oscillation of the quartz crystal and with an electromagnetic brake helps keep the glide wheel moving at a consistent speed. Reversely, the speed and the rotation of that glide wheel is what gives the quartz crystal the power to oscillate. In this sense, we don't need any batteries. This quartz crystal and its known oscillation rate helps the watch be considerably more accurate than your standard Swiss lever escapement. What you may see in a variation of the timing rate for a standard Swiss watch, you'd expect out of the Spring Drive over a month. This internal circuit now on the new 9RA5 and 9RA2 movements is what's called thermodynamically compensated. This new addition helps understand that a quartz crystal changes its oscillation as it gets warmer in the summer and colder in the winter. Understanding those changes allows the watch to be even more accurate throughout the year. Provided in this beautiful Spring Drive movement, you're going to get one of the best watches out there for the money. The Spring Drive is a unique movement that you're not going to see from any Swiss manufacturer, but the Japanese have truly created something unique. Thank you for visiting us here at Burdeens Jewelry.